To remind them, all the demand place ngang thang, borok o demand no pass khagen thang. In the history of Tripura, we believe that this is the largest alliance government with a regional political party. Sini MLA kabang atong utini, borok no sung koi nai. All the TSF ni demand, indigenous people ni demand, student ni demand. Amo table of place kay pass kay ganing thang nirang nukhana sini minister khorang puri tong tabok MLA tongo borono sungkoi nai o je student ni jungjal public ni cost no sini the language no rights ni bagai borok place kay ganing thang. We want to appeal them borok tabok alliance government with national political party sungkoi nai borok no. All the demand, हम place इंगे immediately pass करें हम DSF, जों कदम मा साल रगोनी movement खाई फाई दंगो, खाई फाना, निरंग नुक खाना, बांग्लादेशो बाहाय के student रग movement खाईगा. We the indigenous student organization, DSF, जों government appeal खाई नाय के one खाई नाय. Borok is also a state language, official language. It also has to be respected. The Buni language respect khai jama hai. Borok na bo chung omon musu ko je respect khai rogani bagai. Public rona ang koi nai. Nirang omo sithai. Assembly wo bill pass kan kero. That Borok language will be written in Roman script. It is very easy. Assembly House of pass and can implement and tango. Sung koi nai, sini MLA minister of no. Immediately, sini korang kanagani bagay. Sung TSF, we are very much appealing from our side, from our student, from on behalf of the indigenous people. Nirong izora kahano, nirong ereng taro hodi. Sini korang no kanadi, place kaji, tini ni je assembly wo, jung koi nai, kaya ke, jung tuma kai ma, nirok to sigup, TSF, jung saglak je jung tuma kai nai, but jung koi nai, assembly house so immediately place to amra pass kaya ning thang. Sorry, Amalu Jomatia, General Secretary, TSF.